So now Tipu is going to provide one topic, and Tipu, now you can give any rule and regulation. So we should follow your rule and regulation.
No, actually, I never think about a particular topic, but we will practice about vocabulary. Okay, normal vocabulary and advanced vocabulary. It would be better. Please give me
Yeah,
feedback.
definitely, definitely. It would be very helpful for each other to remember all those vocabulary by help of each other.
Yeah, actually,
And
you can pick up any normal vocabulary and please give me three vocab of advanced of normal vocabulary.
okay, I'm
Yeah.
going to give you normal. That is
Suppose that you pick you have sorry you pick up happy. Okay, tell me three advanced vocab of happy.
yeah, Tipu. You are asking me. So like,
Yeah,
like
1 minute. You
happy
can
means
you can opt you can pick up three normal vocab and three are nine advanced vocab. Please provide me.
okay. I'm glad. I'm happy. I'm glad. Okay, and I'm over the moon. I'm on the
I am
nine. Yeah,
aesthetic.
I'm yes, yes, and I'm on the nine cloud or something. I don't know.
Pleasure. I am
Yeah,
delightful. I am delightful. I am joyful. I
yes.
delighted.
I'm on the Janet.
Yeah.
What Alphaji?
Janet.
Please, could you repeat again?
Jill. Jill.
Your voice is very slow.
Jill. Jill.
Jill.
Jel.
Jig.
Jill. Yes.
Okay. Naran, I hope that you have bountiful bouquets.
Yes, Narayan ji, I'm just asking to you. Please tell me sad. It is normal vocabulary. Please tell me advanced vocab of sad. Three vocab. Sad.
So you can use also morass, this pond, and you can also use crestfallen and disheartenment.
Okay, thank you.
4 words I
And
am
I,
using, but more words. I have minimum 10 to these words
yeah,
regarding
I would like to include more. Miserable also.
miserable also and melancholy also, and we can show so many words also available.
Melancholy, yeah. And another. Do you have any normal vocab with advance? Please provide me.
Uh, Means depressing also same thing. Despond,
Yeah.
dejection also same thing. Dejection and despond and despite. No, despite means alat.
No, that is
And
different.
no, despite alat and dejection also and contrition and contrition. Contrition means संकोचन मतलब कुछ आपको दुख हो रहा है उसके लिए बोल सकते हैं contrition, dejection. And I already told already despondent and pessimistic. Uh, Pessimistic means hotas, and I already told us so 2 3 words. Heart, crestfallen, disheartenment, and uh, melancholy. So these types of words I have, but I need things, so then I can provide. Mm.
Okay. Thank you,
And
Papi.
mm.
Vimla ji, you provide me, please. Interesting. It is a normal vocab. Please provide me advanced vocab of interesting.
Interesting your day. Nothing is coming in my mind actually. Last day I learned two, three words.
Adventurous.
Who can provide?
Adventurous.
Who can provide advanced vocab of interesting?
Adventurous.
Sorry,
Adventurous.
adventurous.
Adventure means
And
you are very brief person. Okay.
okay, and another. Bimla ji, do you have any another word? according to you?
I'm very poor in vocabs actually.
And
And last
Tipu,
I
can you
learned this
repeat the
word
word
interesting word.
which is
Which
provided?
words?
Curious.
Who- Which
Curious.
words?
Curious.
Furious.
Curious.
Curious.
Furious, and you can also furious also. Furious also same things. Furious and furious, and
Fun.
enthusiastic, and really eager, and so
Fun.
resilience.
Fun.
Yes,
Eager. Eager.
eager, 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 resilience, and you can say also furor, and enthusiastic, and energetic. So many words also, I think.
Okay. And
GL, GL,
Alpha G, Alpha G.
and one word also ZEEL, GL. I'm really interesting. So interesting. This is called GL. ZEEL, GL.
Okay. And Alpha G, I'm asking to you one normal vocab like a fear. It is a normal vocab.
Yeah,
Please tell
one
me
word.
three.
Yeah, last day I learned that word captivating. Interesting, captivating.
Yes, yes, captivating.
That
Okay.
is that
And,
Fear.
only I forget.
You already told
Second
us.
day.
Bimalaji, you already
Yeah, last
shared
day
with
I
us.
told
Captivating.
you. That is what I was remembering.
okay. Tell me please, fear. Advanced vocab of the fear.
I have to think. Fear. It's dreadful.
Terrify.
Scared. Scared
Dreadful,
also.
dreadful,
Scared.
afraid.
Scared.
Dreadful.
Terrify.
Scared.
Scared.
Fear.
Terrified.
Terrified.
Terrible. Terrible.
But I want
Horrible.
Hostile.
last I will be say just two difficult words and first to complete.
And
I will I will say horrendous. Horrendous also most horrendous and harrowing. You can use also horrendous and harrowing.
Hilarious also, I
okay.
think.
Horrendous.
Hilarious.
Hilarious to
Horrendous
खुशी.
is a something. Hilarious
Horrendous.
means खुशी. It's happiness.
Yes, horrendous means that was awkward. We are saying that so many times. That was awkward experience and horrendous. खूब भयानक था उस time. And harrowing. You can use also harrowing.
Yeah.
And do you have any extra vocab you can provide?
First, you can give normal words, then we
Okay.
will try
Okay.
to
Okay.
recall our vocab.
Arunji, are you there? Yeah, I'm just asking to you. Please tell me advanced vocab of bother. Bother.
For the considering.
Yeah,
What's going on
annoyed,
here?
irritate,
Monotonous.
monotonous. It is also
Very
Trouble.
bothering.